If your Samsung phone battery drains too fast, don't worry, some hidden settings are quietly using power in the background. Let's go through each one carefully and fix them. Hidden setting 1. Stop background apps. Deep sleeping apps. Some apps keep running even when you're not using them, which wastes battery. How to fix it? Start by opening your settings app. Scroll a bit until you find battery, then tap on it. Look for background usage limits and go inside. First, switch on, put unused apps to sleep. After that, tap on deep sleeping apps on the top corner. Press the plus icon. Now select apps you rarely open, like games or social apps. Tap Add to confirm. This ensures those apps stay completely inactive unless you open them. Hidden setting 2. Turn off hidden location. Scanning your phone may still scan for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth even when they're off. Follow these steps. Go back to the main settings screen. Find and tap location inside. Look for location services and open it. You'll see options like Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. Turn both of these off. These features run silently in the background and constantly use power. Hidden setting 3. Reduce always on display, AOD. Always on display keeps your screen slightly active all day. To adjust it, head into settings again. Scroll until you see lock screen, then tap it. Find always on display and open it. You'll get multiple options. Choose tap to show, recommended, or completely disable it if you don't need it. This reduces unnecessary screen usage and saves battery gradually. Hidden setting 4. Lower screen resolution and refresh rate. High settings look great but drain battery faster. Here's what to do. Open settings, then go into display tab on motion smoothness. Select standard 60 Hz instead of higher refresh rate. Now go back one step, tap screen resolution, choose F8D+. This change can noticeably improve battery life without a huge difference in daily use. Hidden setting 5. Control autosync, silent battery killer. Autosync keeps updating apps like Google Drive and Photos in the background. To manage it, open settings, scroll down and tap accounts and backup. Enter manage accounts. Pick your main account, Google or Samsung. Tap sync account. You'll see a list of sync options. Turn off the ones you don't really need. Keep important ones like contacts on. This reduces constant background activity and saves both data and battery. After applying all these settings, your Samsung phone should last significantly longer throughout the day. These are small changes, but together they make a big difference. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.